Nakilala ko si Mario nung
Second year college. Doon ko siya nakilala nung maging magka-section kami.
and then tinutukso-tukso lang kami ng mga classmate namin. Yun, parang sabi niya gusto niyang manligaw. Sabi ko kung gusto niyang manligaw, wag sa akin, sa parents ko. Pero nagulat na lang ako, pumunta siya sa bahay. Tapos nagpaalam talaga siya sa parents ko. Sabi ko, ay, parang eto na yung the one. Masaya kasi ikakasal na kami. And then at the same time, challenging kasi bubuo kami ng isang pamilya. Yung sobrang saya, walang words para ma-express kung gaano kami kasaya para sa isa't isa. Mahal, pagkamuot ko kanimo to the moon and back. Keme. Sana magustuhan mo ding regalo ko kanimo. Isip ko magagamit mo di sa trabaho mo. Pero syempre, pauramon mo man ako. Alam ko magagamit ko to, pero parang mas magagamit mo to. Pero thank you. Love you.
Nagilid lang. Pupugoy. Since palagi ka nag-coaching at palaging natutuyo lalamunan mo, kailangan mo nang mag-hydrate. Alam ko magagamit mo to sa work, sana magustuhan mo. Love, Basyego. Masayang moment, siyempre yung explore yung lahat ng mga pwedeng gawin, puntahan ng mga lugar, ganun. Tapos lahat ng mga gusto niya.
Para sa akin, lahat naman ng araw masayang moment yun para sa amin. Sa tingin ko, yung pinakamasayang moment is yung ngayon, kung saan ay mag-iisang dibdib kami. And masasabi ko ng asawa ko siya. Napakabait niyang anak sa mga magulang niya. Nakita ko, mahal na mahal niya yung magulang niya. Binavalue niya yung mga pamilya niya.
From college sweethearts and finally to a married couple. We've been together for 11 years and nothing has changed. Our journey together has been filled with laughter, tears, and countless unforgettable moments. As we stand here today, I am filled with excitement for the adventures that lie ahead.
Then you came along and you changed everything. Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'll love you forever and ever and always.
I promise to create a home filled with love, laughter, and understanding. I will be your safe haven, your comfort. I promise to grow with you, to learn from you, and to always strive to be the best version of myself to you.
'Cause that's where my home is. Just one look into your eyes and I knew I I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
With you by my side, I am confident that we can conquer anything that comes our way. I vow to be your rock in times of uncertainty, your comfort in times of sorrow, and your joy in times of celebration.
Today, I give you my hand, my heart, and my love as we embark on this beautiful journey of marriage. I am honored to be your husband and excited for the life and journey that we will embark. I love you.
Rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever